All right, welcome everyone. This is the 28th of May. We have a few days left for, well, today's Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. We got like 3 days left for the month close. Let's start off with the daily time frame on gold. Yesterday, I did not trade at all yesterday. It was bank holiday, so, like I just had like a little lazy day when it comes to trading. But let's see what's going on here now. So we've created some sort of a support here on the daily time frame. We're moving up. Um, Ideally, we came down, made a low, came up. So if we can create some resistance, I think we can continue pushing down. Let's take a look on the 4 hour. Looking at the 4 hour, we have some more information. Obviously, looking at the 4 hour, we can see that there was another zone over here, which is right over here. We formed a resistance. At the same time, I feel like we're creating a support on the 4 hour here as well. And if you do break below, 23.48, I think we got a pretty nice range for price to move down. If you break above 23.56, we got like a nice 70 pip range for price to move up. Right? Awesome. Let's take a look on the 1 hour time frame. Looking at the 1 hour time frame, we have more information now. I guess we can adjust this zone further. Of course, we have a resistance forming. We also have this support forming on the 1 hour time frame, which looks pretty decent, right? I mean, if we do break below, this area, I think there's a very good possibility for price to continue pushing down. Let's take a look on the 30-minute time frame. Looking at the 30-minute time frame, this support is actually very solid. We're still early in the pre-London session. Well, we're actually before pre-London session. So, I mean, okay, so here's the thing. We had candle come down, close like this. We had something happen over here, and then we formed support. This candle couldn't close below. We moved up. This candle is coming down. So I'd want a candle to break and close below 23.50. If we can break and close below 23.50, then this wick becomes a wick fill. And then ideally we can continue pushing down to 23.46, in this 35.40 pip range. Let's take a look at this wick and this wick on the 15-minute time frame. Okay, so that's a support. And this is the area that we're looking for price to come into. 23.46. Now, if this is a support on the 15-minute, I'm not going to regard that if we get a closure on the 30-minute. Now, here's the thing. Yeah, if we get a closure on 30 minutes. So we'll have to wait to see how we actually close below 23.50. Other than that, on the 30-minute time frame, we are actually, okay, if we look at it closely here, let me readjust the zone. So if we can say that this is our recent support right here, and all we want is a candle to close within this area or below this area, and then we got this sort of like a wick fill, and for price to continue pushing down, I think that's going to be good. For buys, we'll see if we close back in the range, but ideally for buys, I'd look for anything above 23.55, especially based on the 1 hour time frame. Anything above 23.55, I'm going to look for buys. So let's see what structure forms as we get to this 1 hour close. Let's take a look on pound yen. All right, pound yen is consolidating. Let's start from the daily. Daily candles are starting to get smaller here a little bit. Let's take a look on the 4 hour. 4 hour is consolidating. We are making a resistance, and at the same time we have a support being formed. Let's zoom in here a little bit. Yeah, it's got the support being formed. Looking at the 1 hour time frame, this is what we got. We got a resistance and we have some sort of support. Looking at the 30-minute time frame now. At the 30-minute time frame, obviously we have this resistance forming up over here. Let's draw this boom and like this. And then we have a support forming right down over here. Now, if you do break and close below 200 and 200, you got like a 21 pip range of price movement. Right now, we're just consolidating in this, 18 pip range. I think pound yen is the safest to trade because it's moving less. There's less movement. But looking to the left hand side, there's nothing to the left hand side till 2000 and 2008, 2007. Just take my word for it. So if we do break above, if we do break above 200 and 400, 200, 435, then, obviously we can look at targets at like, 200, 680, 200, 700, these even numbers, 200, 600, 200, 700, 200, 800, that could be possible targets if price does go up. But if we do break down, I guess our zone is written in stone right over here as we come down towards 199,977. I think that's going to be pretty good range here. I mean, it's still a 20 to 24 pip range for pound yen. That's still pretty good range at this moment, the way we're consolidating. But other than that, let's just wait to see how market structure forms itself. We're going to see you guys later on for the London session. Take care.